Open your WordPress dashboard. Locate the At a Glance box. Underneath, you'll find the WordPress version. On the dashboard, find the version in the right bottom corner, for example, version 6.4.1. Open your cPanel and then click on WordPress managed by Softaculous. In Softaculous, under the domain name, click on the down arrow to find the version number. Open your cPanel. Go to Files and click on the File Manager. Navigate to Public HTML, then WP, and finally to WP Includes. In the search box, type version. Click on version.php, then hit View to see the version, for example, 6.4.1. Visit the website page. If using Safari, go to the Develop menu and choose Show Web Inspector. If using Chrome, click Ctrl+U to inspect, then Ctrl+F, and search for generator. Alternatively, look for the RSS feed, your website.com feed, and search for generator using Ctrl+F.